search, type in FiveM, and then right-click on it and click on Open File Location, and then again right-click on FiveM and click on Open File Location, and in here click on or double-click the open the folder FiveM application data, and here we need to delete a few things. First of all, I would suggest you to delete the crashes inside the crashes folder. So just open a crashed folder and delete everything in here. That's the first thing. Then we can go back to the FiveM application data and click into logs, and also here delete everything that is in here. You can also press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything at one time, and then get back to the FiveM application data and open the data folder, and in here open the cache folder, and in here you can just delete everything that's in the cache and delete everything that's in the server cache. Yeah, that's really it. We can close the folder already, and the error should be fixed now. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below. Really hope this helped you guys. If so, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.